The TradeOxy Intraday Detector attempts to identify assets that have active buyer interest, which could indicate that the price is going to rise. Here's how it works. First, it compares the current trading volume with the simple moving average of the previous 15 periods of time. If the current trading volume is above that simple moving average, the first condition is met. Secondly, it looks at the previous 3 closing prices and makes sure that they are each consecutively higher than the one before them. If both the volume and price conditions are met, the detector fires. The theory behind this detector is pretty simple. It effectively says that if the price movement indicated by the previous 5-minute closes all being higher than each other is increasing, and there is an increasing volume in the number of trades that are occurring, then it is likely that the price pressure is upwards on that particular asset. The awesome thing about the TradeOxy platform is that you can take this detector and apply it to all of the asset classes that you're interested in. Whether it's crypto, Forex, or the US stock market, with just a few simple button pushes, you can apply this detector to any of those things that you're interested in. We can't wait to see you there.